You've done the hard work. Historical data imported, medical aid set up, funds linked, and ETI sorted. So now what? In Sage Payroll, it's called rolling forward, and it's the key to moving from one payroll period into the next for payroll processing. In this video, I'll show you how to roll forward in Sage Payroll. This step is essential before starting a new payroll period. Locate the current period's date at the top of the screen. Click the drop-down and select Rollover. I'm moving into the new period, April 2023, and to complete the process, click the Finish button. You may see a message indicating that the process is still in progress. Click OK, and when it's complete, you'll be taken straight into the next period. From here, you can repeat the exact import process we've just done. And if you get stuck, you can refer back to this video as a reference to help and guide you. From here, you can repeat the exact same import process we've just done in Sage Business Cloud Payroll. And this brings us to the end of the 10-part masterclass on Sage Payroll imports into Sage Business Cloud Payroll. If you've made it till the end, thank you very much and good luck with your payroll processing. All the best.